Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to view the terms of use in Threads, the messaging app for Instagram. This will allow you to understand the rules and guidelines for using the app. To get started, open the Threads application on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down the menu until you see About with the eye icon and tap on it. From here, you can access information about the Threads app, including the version number and legal information. Tap on Terms of Use to view the full terms of use for the app. The terms of use will explain the rules and guidelines for using the app, including restrictions on content and behavior. This can include information such as acceptable use policies, intellectual property rights, and liability disclaimers. It's important to review the terms of use for any app or service you use to understand the rules and guidelines you're agreeing to. This can help you avoid violating the terms and potentially losing access to the app. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the terms of use in Threads and better understand the rules and guidelines for using the app. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.